Hey guys, Ray from Love Your RV back at you again. Today I just wanted to show you a cool new tool I just picked up. If you remember, I think it was a year or so ago, I picked up a Milwaukee multi-tool for some of my projects around the rig. Really neat little tool to have, real nice and small, lightweight. I've really liked it. Worked really good for a lot of projects. And that time it came with a light as well. So it's one of their M12 line, uses these tiny little batteries, lithium batteries in there. So I needed a new tool. I got a new project I'm tackling. If you've seen some of the photos I've been posting, our slide out developed a bit of a mushy corner. There was a little while ago the slide out had a leak that had developed because of the flashing, and at that time I kind of patched it, and I've been keeping an eye on it, and over the course of the winter in the desert, everything was pretty dry, didn't get any more mushiness going on, so I kind of just left it. This July we've had a lot of rain here on the island. June was dry, but July's been quite rainy, and the last while has been really raining, so I went out to check with it, and sure enough I was getting a lot more mushy flooring on the slide underneath. So I took it all apart, and I definitely have some work to do there, but I'm gonna have to be cutting out some plywood, very thick plywood, and this little tool is just not going to handle it. So I've picked myself up a new Milwaukee tool. It's called a Hackzall. It's like a reciprocating saw. Pretty cool. Spent I guess it was about $179 Canadian dollars for this. And then that battery, this is the beefier battery. It's the same as the other M12 battery, but this is the one that lasts a little bit longer. So I think that's going to work really good for what I need to do. There was a cheaper one that went for $99, but this is their new fuel brushless series, so looks pretty neat. Do a good job. And I picked up a nice little kit of blades to go with it too. So it's going to be handy around the RV for projects. It's got metal blades and wood blades, and you can cut ABS in case for my plumbing projects. So you got to spend money on tools if you're going to save money by not having to go and visit the RV service centers to get things fixed. So tools always end up paying for themselves. Let's see, that's kind of the features. Over 4 times more run time because of that Power State brushless motor, 70% faster cutting, up to 6 times longer tool life. So it looks like it's got a pretty good review. I've always liked the Milwaukee stuff. I know there's all kinds of other stuff. I still have my good old Makita drill that I've had for years and years and years. I think I replaced the battery once on it, so maybe when it bites the dust I'll probably get the Milwaukee version of it. Kind of once you get into one battery setup you're kind of stuck into it, but this M12, it's nice and compact, so I can store it as a full-timer in the RV. Maybe let's give you a test. Let's go cut something. I can hardly wait to cut something. Yeah, made short work of that. There you go, look at my fancy new tool. So I'll be using it in my slide out flooring repair, and afterwards I'll come back and give you a little review of how it performed. As far as the slide floor goes, I think at this point there's enough left to it that I can probably just install a patch board, like instead of replacing the whole floor. I don't really want to tackle that in this RV park, so we'll patch it and we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned for that video. I'll come back when I have that all fixed up for you and you can see how I went about it. Till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Thanks for watching. Cheers everyone.